All right, wait until you check out this custom farmhouse right here in downtown Alpharetta, just steps away from all of the great, amazing shopping and restaurants that you can imagine. We are here at this custom built home that's over 7,500 finished square feet with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, listed by Bianca Giddens with Keller Realty. And y'all, this amazing house is to die for. It has just about everything that you could want, and it's just listed under $3 million. Let's go check it out. All right, so today we are going to be touring this amazing house, and I have my trusted friend here, Cucumber, that is going to be showing off his house. We are here in the foyer, and this amazing farmhouse is to die for, and there's so many unique features. Cannot wait to show it to you. So first thing you need to check out is the amazing kitchen and living area. It's just around the corner. Let's go check it out. All right, so you walk in and you have this amazing to die for, straight out of the magazine, beautiful open kitchen and living room area. If this doesn't look like it belongs on Pinterest, I don't know what does. You have gorgeous Carrara marble countertops, and you are going to find so many great unique details all throughout this house. One of the things I love is that the sellers here, they have put in so much custom marble throughout the home, and it's just, the quality of finishes here really shows. You've got really great inset cabinets, which is a nice detail that tells you that the sellers put in a little bit of extra touches here in the home. You've got a great farmhouse apron style sink here. The latches on the cabinets, like these are just the little details that really make this such a unique, special house. You've got your great high-end appliance. Gas, of course, wouldn't be a house without gas cooking. And a really cool feature here is you've got this really great pocket door with unique detail, but here's a scullery or a dirty kitchen. So which house doesn't need 2 dishwashers? I mean, this is just amazing. So you've got 2 dishwashers, you got plenty of storage in here, you've got a place to hide your trash can, plenty of storage for your pantry. Like, this is where all the appliances go, so we can keep the kitchen out there nice and pretty. Nice little eat-in breakfast area. This is perfect. You've got kids, large family, really great eat-in kitchen nook here in the kitchen. And then of course you have a nice little wine wet bar area. Plenty of space for the longest dining room table. And one thing that I absolutely love in houses is whenever they put in these exposed beams, it just adds so much to your apparent detail. You've got a woodworking fireplace with a gas starter, and if you haven't noticed yet, this space opens up into a gorgeous courtyard pool area with a fantastic pool house. We're gonna check that out a bit later. So you've got this amazing living and kitchen area that's open on the first floor. Let's check out this huge laundry room and mudroom area. All right, so here in this laundry room, you've got really nice detail with a tile. You've got another farmhouse kitchen sink, but it's in the laundry room. And one cool thing that these sellers put in is that this room does have a laundry chute. We'll show that to you from upstairs, but helps make it a little bit easier getting all of the dirty clothes downstairs. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the main level, which is going to have 2 guest bedrooms. And this is right off of the foyer, opposite from the family room and kitchen. So first guest suite here, very spacious, and you've got a nice view of the pool. And just around the corner, you've got another guest bedroom. And both of these guest bedrooms share this full bathroom, which again, you're gonna find some marble detail here in the shower and the sinks. All right, so you've got 2 bedrooms on the main level. As you can see, they're using one as an office. Let's go check out the upstairs, which features an amazing master suite and 2 additional bedrooms. So coming up the stairs, you have this amazing loft landing area, which gives you a little great reading nook, could be a craft nook, however you want to use it. But right off of the main landing up here is this amazing primary suite. So let's check this out. Now, what we're walking through is the entire primary suite, and it's got this great door here so you can just shut it off from the rest of the house. But you've got this great hallway, and wait till you see this bathroom, y'all. So in this amazing bathroom, you've got tons of Carrara marble countertops and floors and a huge walk-in shower that can fit the whole family if you needed to. And then you've got this cast iron clawfoot tub. And this bathroom has not 1, but 2 walk-in closets. So the perfect is in her situation. This is a closet that I could get used to. You've got tons of room in here, plenty of space to expand for storage. Okay, so you have an additional closet for her or his. As you can see, not quite as big as the hers, but this will give you plenty of additional space. And then we've got the water closet right here as well. Now, if you haven't already fallen in love with this house, because of everything that you've seen so far, wait until you see this primary bedroom. It is massive. This is what dreams are made of. You've got beautiful shiplap details here. You've got beams. This is a huge space. You do not have to worry about how much furniture you can fit here. And this room overlooks the gorgeous backyard, which we'll show a little bit more in detail. You can really fit the whole family in here, or take the whole family out and shut the door. So on the opposite side of the landing, you have your 2 bedrooms up here. They each have their own bathroom. So this is perfect for a kid situation. Both of these rooms here are very spacious. You also have a walk-in closet, and the details that they did with the bathrooms up here are very, very neat. I love the tiles that they chose for each of these bathrooms, the unique touches that they put on the sinks. If I was a kid, I would never want to leave this house. All right, so that was bedroom number 1. Let's check out bedroom number 2, just across the alcove. Here you've got pretty much a mirror image of each other. It's a little bit different, but again, really nice space. As you can see, the hardwood pine floors extend throughout the entire house, so there is no carpet. And in this bathroom, you also have unique details in the tile with the penny tile and a walk-in shower. Very spacious, giving you all the room that you would need. All right, so that wasn't enough space. You have to check out this area, which this family is using as additional office space and a homeschooling area, but these spaces could be used as additional bedrooms if you needed. So here, this is over the garage, so that's why you're going to see these angled ceilings in this room. But this is the perfect kid hangout spot, or you can use it as a schoolroom, playroom. The options here are endless. This is the very unique laundry chute that the homeowners, whenever they built this house in 2017, added. And you're going to see many of these unique details throughout the home, featuring antique reclaimed wood features throughout this house. All right, let's go check out downstairs. As if you did not have enough space upstairs on the main level and upstairs, downstairs here in the basement, it's partially finished. This is a huge game room and theater space that this family has added. All of this great equipment is going to stay with the house, but this room gives you so many options. This would be perfect for game days, celebrating, getting away from the rest of the family if you needed to. So this part of the basement is finished, but you also have an additional 1,300 square feet of additional basement space that could be finished. This gives you options for more bedrooms. You can add another bathroom down here. The current sellers have a workshop that they're using, and you've got great access to the outdoors here as well. All right, I think I've saved the best for last, and this is the amazing outdoor space that this home has. Let's go check out this pool house and courtyard. So this space offers you the perfect place to enjoy the great outdoors and all 4 seasons that we get here in Georgia. I absolutely love this outdoor dining space. It's right off of the kitchen and the main living area of the home. One of the things that the seller did whenever they built this house is they incorporated so many doors so that on a great day like this, you can open up the doors and really enjoy the cool breeze or the warm breeze if you're in the spring. But this amazing saltwater heated pool gives you the ability to make use of this backyard space year round. Let's go check out this great pool house. So this unique space is perfect for additional space to watch games, get away from the family, or just enjoy the nice air conditioning on a day when it's hot out and you just need to cool off. You've got a built-in bar with a refrigerator out here as well. And you need to check out this custom furniture piece that they turned into a bar. It is really cool. So another unique feature of this pool house is it does have a full bathroom, but I love the fact that the sellers, whenever they built this house, they made it completely accessible from the outside so that you don't actually have to come in through the air conditioned space. So you have a full bathroom off of the pool house that gives you access from the exterior. This is such a smart thing to do, and you can see that the sellers, whenever they built this house, they spared no expense. They also brought all of the same finishes that you're going to see inside the home, even out here to the pool house bathroom. All right, so we know that the backyard is already great with the pool and the pool house, but where are the kids going to play? Well, we've got that covered too here in this house. Take a look at this amazing backyard. Come on, Cucumber, come to your yard. So just a few steps down is this nice flat area of the backyard. This home sits on almost half of an acre right here in the heart of Alpharetta. This house has just about everything that you can ask for in terms of location. You're also going to notice that there's a lot of great homes that are being built here on this street as well. You can hear a little bit of the construction noise. There's going to be some great neighbors coming soon. We can all agree that was an amazing house. If Alpharetta is on the top of your list, you need to check out this video next. Of course, if you're thinking about making a move here to Georgia, I want to be your real estate agent, you can find my information in the pinned link below this comment. For more information on Alpharetta, don't forget to check out this video, or if coming is more your style, check this one out.